lupang hinihingi.
Ay, dapat pala kay Tita Kea ka magsabi ng mat-mat.
Hindi, I'm asking, count to 1 to 10.
Meron siyang pa times 10 times 10. Hindi ko
Hindi, alam na
nasundan
rin niya
yung
yung
times 10
100.
niya.
Sabi niya
Oo.
1 tapos 100. Sabi niya.
Hindi ko na sundan yung 10 times 10
Upset
times.
tayo nun eh.
You eat na?
Hindi kasi diba, classmate mo si Honey.
Yung naging classmate ko din si Honey.
Honey guys.
Multiplication.
Grade 1 kami. No, alam mo ba sa ito? Hindi no. Sabi niya, multiplication, public.
You hold that chicken and then you eat.
Wow, di ba you're going to eat, you said? Oh, going eat the
Eat
chicken.
na, eat. Hold in your hand. Hold.